Welcome to a new video on opportunities this week from Bravisa Templetree. As the markets have climbed 60 plus and taken small rest, now it has come back with renewed energy. At the peak, we will not get much new buying opportunities, and also we need to be careful with the positions we take. We should be selective with the positions so that we ensure we don't lose much, because at the top there is a possibility that it can turn down, so that we help protect our capital and also maximize our returns. Before going further, let's have a glimpse on the previous ideas that we had shared in the opportunities this week so far. 2 months back, we had shared about Tata Motors. At the time, Tata Motors was at 310 rupees. Today, at 500, this stock has made more than 60% returns to their investors. Along with Tata Motors, we had Reliance, HDFC, M&M, Apollo Tyres kind of stocks doing extremely well in the market. While not only upside or winners, we do have some stocks which have turned down, like Coal India, Colgate, Amara Batteries kind of stocks. After they got triggered, they have gone down. For all the stocks that we track on our opportunities this week videos, we post a trailing stop loss for them week after week. This will help us maximize our profits as well as protect our capital by ensuring we get out if the stock is not doing well or not doing what we want it to do. All the new stop losses are available on our discussion group. You can join the discussion group by clicking on the link in the description, and along with that we also provide more buying opportunities week after week in the discussion group. This week we have very few new buying opportunities qualifying from our system. Among them, we have one stock from the metal sector that is given a trend continuation buy signal. We have Jindal Steel giving a buying opportunity this week on a trend continuation buy signal. We can buy Jindal Steel if the stock price moves above 453.8 in the coming week. Metals as a sector has taken a long consolidation after it went into a steep upside till May 2021. After a 5-month long consolidation, it looks like steel sector has started getting new energy and started moving up. Among the steel metal space, we have aluminium doing very good while steel is going through a challenge. It is probably because of the demand slowdown and commodity prices going through a swing. So, what are the positives today in the steel sector? There are 3 advantages currently available for the steel sector in the market today. First one, real estate prices have bottomed out. Already real estate prices have gone up 20% from their bottom, and there is expectation that it will go up another 15% in the 10 to 12 months from now. When real estate picks momentum, it brings a lot of demand for cement and steel. At present, both steel and cement capacities in our country are reaching their maximum levels. This would mean companies would have to go for expansion, and most of the companies in our country have already announced expansion. This is going to grow their business and add more profits to the companies. Second advantage, as the demand picks up, there is a need for materials urgently in the market. So this new capex that is going to happen will take time to get delivered. The new materials can come to the market after expansion is over, which is going to take longer time. In the meantime, to support the demand for the product, we have to import steel into the country. That will push international prices of steel, which will increase the prices of steel and create bigger margins for our companies too. That will mean more profits for steel companies. And third advantage, if you had seen, all these steel companies were debt laden a couple of years back. Now, most of the companies have started paying back their debt. That means they are going to be light on their balance sheet and add more profits. So, 3 big advantages for the steel sector, and that gives a confidence that we can invest with belief into steel sector. As Jindal Steel goes up above 453.8 and triggers our buy entry, start tracking its price move at the peak. When the stock goes past 480 and 501, which is the resistance levels for Jindal Steel, look at the volume. It should have higher volume as it crosses the peaks like 480, 501. If that happens, continue to hold your position and maximize your profit. On the other hand, if the stock is passing the resistance of 480, 501, with low volume, that is an indication that it is getting weak. So help yourself get out of the stock by booking that 30 or 50 rupees profit. This position at present looks like a small opportunity, while if this steel sector starts gaining momentum and goes up, this will become a big, very big profit making opportunity. This is how we help ourselves buy stocks at the inflection point, that is just about they are starting to run up. Many times when they turn down, we will not make big gains, whereas if they gain momentum, that becomes a multi-bagger. So along with Jindal Steel, we have other stocks that have qualified, like one stock from Agri, one from Power, some from Finance, and one more steel stock, which are posted in our discussion group. As steel helps real estate grow and strengthens our economy, we believe that it will help strengthen our investment too with big profits. Happy investing. Thank you.